Yeah, today also I got a new video on how to make investments online, how to invest money from FIC Insurance Company. FIC Insurance Company helps you to invest money here. So you need to first of all sign up an account on FIC. So that's the method. You fill in your name, your number, choose a password and confirm, and then tap on the get code for it to confirm and get a code from them for your registration to be successful. But I already have an account, so I will go back and sign into my account because I already have one. So as you can see, SMS sent successfully, which is get a code. So now I'm going to log into my account, the existing account. So I'm logging into my account. I have to enter my password, get a code. You see, two for whatever. So you have to enter that code there for your logins to be successful. So I'm logging into my account. Wow, as you can see, FIC Insurance Company here. It's so after signing up, you will get a bonus of two good Ghana cedis. Two good Ghana cedis, which is withdrawable, but when only you get 20 cedis in your account, more than 20 cedis in your account. If you have less than 20 cedis, you can't withdraw. But the two Ghana cedis is a bonus you get when you sign up with FIC. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the site. So as you can see, 150, 500 Ghana cedis, 1000 Ghana cedis, 2000, 4000, 6000. That's where you are going to invest. Here you see an R, 4 cedis, 60% for an R income, which is the 2000 Ghana cedis. So, and then 1 R, you are going to earn 0.1 Ghana peso. So as you can see, 2 cedis, 40% per day, valid for 365 days, and total earnings 756 Ghana cedis, which means when you put in this amount, was it 50? Yeah, 50 Ghana cedis, you are going to earn 2 cedis, 40% a day, and at the end of the year, you are going to earn 800 cedis, 76 good Ghana cedis. As you can see, I don't have enough balance to purchase it, so I have to go back. I'm going to show you how to do your deposit or how to recharge and then withdraw your money. It's very legit, my brother. It's very, very legit. So how to deposit or recharge? So you go to the app, then you select the amount of money you want to invest with, and then confirm. Tap on a confirm. So here you enter the amount and then the name associated with your mobile money number. For instance, my name is Ernest Champo, and that's what I used in registering my mobile money number here account. So Ernest Champo, and you go to accounts, then you enter your phone number there. Your phone number 02, your phone number. That's what you're going to. Then you choose MTN. I use MTN. If bank, then you choose your bank. If Vodafone, you choose Vodafone. I use MTN, so I chose MTN. Yeah. And then tap on confirm. That's how you can do to recharge or deposit into your account and then start your investment over there. So this is how it goes. You'll be given a number. Yeah. So you send the money, you deposit that 1,000 good Ghana cedis or what the amount of money you want to invest with into this number 05 whatever, as you can see 055 whatever. Then after that you approve by sending screenshots of the payments made, which is you tap on that box there for you to confirm. Yeah. So immediately you deposit and they confirm, the money will come into your account on the FIC platform. As you can see there, the 2 Ghana cedis was the bonus I got. So I'm now going to teach you how to withdraw the money when you earn, and if you want to withdraw the money into your account. So here you enter your real name. If it's bank, the bank, it's like how I said MTN, Vodafone, or bank account. So you go back and tap Momo. I use MTN, which is Momo. Then you enter your name and it's the champion card, the name on your card, and it's the champion, whatever ID number. You fill in those spaces, no gaps. Then get code, OTP. You have to get another code from there to confirm it's you. Yeah. So after everything, then you save the method of withdrawal. So when you reach the limit, then you just tap on the Momo account and you withdraw your money. It's very legit. Please kindly like and subscribe to my channel. The link for the description. Sorry. The link will be in the description. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. So that's the code. You have to confirm it from there. 13 whatever 0. So after inputting that code, then you tap on save for it to be saved. Bank card binding is successful. So we now have taught you how to deposit or recharge, and also how to withdraw your money. How to withdraw your money when you earn. So you can go to the dig treasure. That's when a friend dashes you some money. You can go there. A friend will be giving a pin code. Then you ask him or her to send it to you. Then you enter it and claim your code, your money or whatever. So dig treasure. That's it. Open the treasure. So you'll be demanded for a code. That code will be given to you by the one who sent you that money. So as you can see, enter the secret pin. Okay. For now I don't have. So I'll go back. As you can see, people who have collected money through that site, that treasure. 270 Ghana cedis, 513 Ghana cedis. It's very legit. It's very legit, my brother. There's no fake thing. It's not fake. It's very legit. So here we come to the game, or the try luck place. That's where you can get some luck. See, someone got 20 Ghana cedis from the spin. Yeah, from the spin. So you tap on go. I'm surely going to get thank you. That's what I will surely get. I'll get thank you. I said it. I'll get thank you. I got thank you. So you have to tap on confirm. You didn't earn any money from here. So you go back the next time, then you come back and try again. See, my balance is still 2 Ghana cedis. So if I had won maybe 40 Ghana cedis, it would have become 42 Ghana cedis. and which is I'll be able to withdraw that money. Yeah, that's the platform. So when you invest with 22,000 Ghana cedi, you are going to earn 4 cedi 60 pesos and 4 cedi 60 pesos. So 4 cedi 60 pesos times you, let's say you do it times 24. As you can see, you earn some amount of money, and then at the year, you see this product earns 52 cedis 80 pesos per day, valid for 365 days, and totals 19,272 cedis with any withdrawal. Not enough VIP level, which is I don't have money to purchase that offer, so I will have to go and deposit into my account. Please and please, FIC Insurance Company, it's very very legit. And here, this is where you go to share. Then when anyone who scans that barcode, anyone who scans it and then follows and sign up an account, you are going to get a bonus of 50 pesos, and that's also the link for you to share, so that whoever signs up using your link will, the person will get 2 Ghana cedis bonus, and you are going to get 50 pesos income. Yeah, so please and please kindly like and subscribe to my channel, ficinsurancecompany.com. It's very very legit. It's very, or FIC888.com. Yeah, thank you very much. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share with your friends as well. Thank you very much.